So hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will going to show you my a day in life as a private school teacher. So in this part, kakagising ko lang and then kakaligo lang. So nagbibihis na tayo para pumasok na. O ayan na nga, 'di ba? Papasok na tayo. So close na yung door. O 'di ba ang bilis, nasa labas na ako. O today dito na tayo sa jeep, o 'di ba? Nasa bus pala ako. And then pagkababa, okay, video muna yung view. Sa harap yan ng school. So ayan, okay, papasok na tayo. So dyan ako nagtuturo. So sa gusto mag-enroll, enroll na sa Eclaro Academy. So dito na tayo sa loob. So 6 a.m. na yan, okay? So early bird yung dalawa dyan. Okay, laptop muna and then start the battle for the day. Ano pag itigin na pero na mangkot ka day, ah? Sure lang. Minsan nagagulat na lang yung mga students ko, binibisaya ko na sila. Sabi na lang sila na, "Teacher, what are you talking about?" Malas lang ako magsabat nga, "Why, pumati ka mo kumayad." Manaka lang. Well, I'm doing that naman after na ng class or what. So, during class hours naman, I'm doing my best to discuss the lesson. Not all the time, nagsasabi ako ng Bisaya or what. So, that's just the, to break the silence. Or, to break the moment of silence pala yun, no? Sorry. O, ayan, next class tayo, grade 8. Diba? Talented yung grade 8. I asked permission to them to upload the video. Kasi gustong-gusto nila, oo, diba? O, ayan, for the intermission daw sila. And then, this is the grade 5. Ang cute nila. And then, this is my class advisory, grade 7. I love them. And then, my co-teachers, my beautiful friends. O, diba? O, wag magpatalo. And then, outfit check. O, wag pansin yung CR. Syempre, wala na. O, diba, uuwi na. Overpass na yan. Bundok yung tinatawid ko araw-araw. O, ayan. O, diba? May video pa dyan.